After you speak to your project consultant, they'll be working with you on price and the final details of the scope. We're averaging around 60 to 90 days before submitting for the permit. We're doing property research to make sure that the project and what's proposed is legal and conforming to various regulations. If you've paid for renderings, we will be sending the plans to you for your review to get your approval. And then once you give us your thumbs up, if you don't have any changes for us, we'll move on to the technical set. If you didn't get renderings, you'll move straight into the technical set phase where we're drafting the project, and then we'll be sending it to you for your QC and approval before going to engineering. And then there's an application phase where we gather all the documents and get everything that we've created submitted to the jurisdiction. Every step of the way, when we send you the plans, it's important that we get a prompt and concise response from you, so that whole process before submitting to the jurisdiction is as tight and clean and quick as possible.